In the midst of all the wars and arguments on Bigg Boss 15, love also seems to be blossoming in the jungle. Misha Iyer and Ishan Sehgal are palpably getting close to each other. Over the past few days, their bonding seems to be getting stronger. In a recent promo for the show, they were seen sitting together inside a blanket and trying to know about each other better over a chat. Misha asked Ishan, "What kind of girl do you like?" To this, he replied, "I want a pretty and cute girl who loves me without conditions." When he inquired about her choice, she said, "I like a very offbeat kind of boy who can bear my tantrums." Misha was surprised when Ishan said to her that he started liking her when she cried. She said it was just unbelievable for her, to which he responded by saying that he wasn't like the others. On being teased by the other contestant about how she was cozying up to Ishan, she insisted they were just friends. It will be interesting to see them getting closer to each other and Prateek getting into unnecessary fights with them. Prateek Sehajpal found himself in trouble after he unscrewed the bathroom lock from outside while his co-contestant Vidhi Pandya was having a shower. In the preview promo of the next episode, Prateek is seen breaking the latch of the washroom door of the garden area while Vidhi was inside. She comes out and was seen complaining to Karan Kundra and Jay Bhanushali and others. As she goes to confront Prateek, he tries to justify his actions and said that he did not have wrong intentions. Fellow contestant Karan confronted Prateek about what he did to the bathroom door while Vidhi was inside. Another argument breaks out where everyone is against Prateek and Nishant, but the Jungle Vasis agree that Prateek does not have wrong intentions, but the timing he did it was wrong. Prateek is then heard saying that he will hit someone and walk out of the show if his intentions are proven to be wrong. In the coming weekend cover, Salman Khan will be going on a full offensive on Prateek Sehajpal. He will take class of almost every contestant. The worst is reserved for Prateek Sehajpal. He will school him on the Vidhi Pandya incident. He will say that he looked like a fool when he said that he would not have objected if his mom's sister were in the bathroom if it was a game situation. Salman Khan asked him if he placed a reality show above his mother and sister. He says, "If it was my sister and someone did something of this sort, I did screw him up thoroughly." Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.